What does a kindergartner really need to know to be ready for first grade math? It might not be what you think. Hi, I'm Laurie Fouts, and I've been an educator in the state of Texas for over 30 years, with the last 7 focused specifically on math intervention. And let me tell you, I'm on a mission to give students more strategies to solve math facts with confidence. Here's the thing. Kids often move from counting fingers or tally marks into higher level math without really owning these facts. And that leads to big struggles later on. I've seen too many students, bright, capable students, still stumble because they never built automaticity early on. So let's look at some examples of what kind of math facts a kindergartner needs to leave with before they go into first grade. First, do they know that when you add 0 to a number, like 4 plus 0, that it always gives them the same number? Because 0 means nothing. And do they know that when they take 0 away from the number doesn't change? Do they know that if they add 1 to a number, that you're always going to go to that very next number in the counting sequence? Or do they know that when they take away 1 from a number, they're going to go back to the number that's before? Do they know that when they take a number, all of it away from the beginning total, that it's always going to give 0? And do they know those other facts within 5, like 2 plus 3 equals 5 and 2 plus 2 equals 4? Do they know these? Not just by counting on their fingers, but have they internalized them? And do they know that if I have 5, I can use this relative fact to figure out my difference? Like 5 minus 3 is always going to give me a 2 because 2 plus 3 equals 5. That's called using related facts to figure out your subtraction differences. If kids don't have these basics down, every bigger problem becomes harder. We don't want our students to grow up like I did, reaching adulthood still second-guessing something like 6 plus 9 because we never memorized it back in school. How do we fix this? Not with drill and kill worksheets, but with repeated, systematic, real-world practice. Think sugar packets at a restaurant. I did that with my daughters when they were little. Instead of being on a device, grab those sugar packets. Say, I have 2. You have 3. How many do we have together? You can do finger games, like how much is this? Well, how much is 3 and 2 more? You can use playing cards. Oh my goodness, look at this. 1 and 2 more. How many is that all together? We can count them. 2, 3. And most importantly, model your thinking out loud. When kids hear your thought process for adding 2 numbers or subtracting 2 numbers, they learn how to develop their own strategies. So, if you're a parent, a teacher, or just someone who cares about kids, let's give them the tools to succeed, because confidence in math facts isn't just about numbers. It's about building problem solvers for life. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with another teacher or parent who wants to make math click for kids.